Here with the morning show on Times Now. Though he's in the middle of a state election, Narendra Modi has let go of no chance to target the centre. He's repeatedly taken up national issues, even targeting Sonia Gandhi and the Prime Minister. And today, when he concludes a month-long election yatra, top BJP leaders will be on Modi's stage to push his campaign.
हमारा गुजरात नहीं देंगे, नहीं देंगे, नहीं देंगे।
His campaign was nothing short of a poll pitch for 2014. Narendra Modi made no effort to subside national overtones in his speeches.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की अध्यक्ष श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी, उन्होंने पिछले 3 साल में जो विदेश भ्रमण किया है, उसके पीछे सरकार की तिजोरी से 1,880 करोड़ रुपए का खर्च हुआ है।
No stone left unturned when it came to attacking the Congress president during his campaign. And Narendra Modi did so repeatedly and consistently over one issue or another.
सोनिया जी कितनी बार विदेश गई, किस प्रकार के व्यवस्था से गई, वहां कहां रुकी और भारत सरकार की तिजोरी से कितना खर्चा हुआ। हरियाणाમાં તમારી સરકારને તો સલાહ નથી આપી શકતા, ત્યાં દલિતો પર જુલ્મ ચાલી રહ્યા છે, દલિત દીકરીઓ પર બળાત્કાર ચાલી રહ્યા છે અને તમે રાજકોટમાં આવીને ગુજરાતને બદનામ કરવાની હિંમત કરો છો।
And even when he first spoke to Times Now, post the beginning of his campaign, he stood by his allegations against Sonia Gandhi.
किसी ने मैडम सोनिया जी की बीमारी के लिए पूछा ही नहीं है, और जब आपको पूछा ही नहीं है फिर भी आप जवाब देते फिर रहे हो, इसका मतलब है कि कुछ छुपा रहे हो।
And finally today, Narendra Modi's Vivekanand Yuva Vikas Yatra will culminate in the presence of party president Nitin Gadkari and other top BJP leaders.
In the last leg of his Vivekanand Yuva Vikas Yatra, Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi once again slammed the Congress party at the centre and also the Congress President Sonia Gandhi, very categorically talking about the issue that is making the headlines as of now, the rapes that have occurred in the state of Haryana. Modi very categorically stated that very little is done in states that are ruled by her party to take care and provide safety to the women folk. Apart from that, Modi continued to attack Sonia Gandhi's rally that took place in Rajkot last week, saying that it is only her who cannot see the development that has taken place in the state of Gujarat.
His yatra may have come to an end, but what has been clearly substantiated now is that Modi's ambitions are not limited to the upcoming Gujarat election alone. Bureau Report, Times Now.